Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have seen some devices that you don't recognize on your Amazon account. Old phones, tablets or maybe shared devices can stay linked, so removing them keeps your account clean and secure. This is especially important if you sell or give away devices. So, let's remove them now, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to Amazon.com or Amazon Shopping app. So we're gonna tap on this thing, go all the way to this section, log in using our email address and password, then tap on account and list. We have multiple options as you see: digital content and devices, ordering, shopping preferences, memberships and subscriptions, programs, shopping, communication and content. And we have this request your data, manage apps and services with data access, all of this information that would help you. We also have this account linking, manage your trade-ins and all of this, your interest and every other detail. So basically now what you are looking for is either login and security, change your basically password, then reset it for all your devices. Or you can also go through this device support, digital services and device support. Check all of these options. You have login address, security and privacy, international shopping, all of these informations that you can basically change within the customer service. All you're gonna do basically now is either change your device, and I mean change your password so you can reset the password on other devices, or we can go back and talk to the support, let them know what's up, and they're gonna do it for you. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.